dying ice cream.
It's the fucking ice cream, man.
Never be.
So again, this idea of being able to put sound anywhere you want to is really starting to catch on. We've got the military had just deployed some of these into Iraq where you can put fake troop movements a quarter of a mile away on a hillside. Or you can whisper in the ear of a supposed terrorist some biblical verse. I'm serious.
Look out for Charlie.
That first clip was off of Bryce's Rights channel, and it was off his video reacting to disturbing TikToks before they get taken down.